Jesse, let us begin with linked lists.
Sure, Hari.
What is a linked list?
A linked list is a linear data structure where elements are stored in nodes, each pointing to the next. It's important for dynamic memory usage and efficient insertion by deletion.
Key concepts here are linked list, dynamic memory management. Explain how it differs from arrays. Common mistakes candidates make here are not mentioning memory allocation. What are the advantages of a linked list over an array?
Linked lists allow for dynamic size changes, enabling efficient insertion and deletion, while arrays require resizing, which can be costly.
Key concepts here are dynamic sizing, efficiency, link advantages to scenarios. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring memory issues. What is a doubly linked list and how does it differ from a singly linked list?
A doubly linked list contains nodes with pointers to both the next and previous nodes, allowing bidirectional traversal. Singly linked lists only allow traversal in one direction.
Key concepts here are doubly linked list, bidirectional traversal. Give practical examples. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing traversal directions. What are the common algorithms for linked lists?
Common algorithms include traversal, reversal, and merging lists. Each has its applications and tasks like finding elements or rearranging data.
Key concepts here are traversal, reversal, merging. Use scenarios for clarity. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting edge cases. How do you reverse a linked list?
To reverse a linked list, we can iterate through the list and change the next pointers. We'll use a temporary node to store the reversed part. This approach runs in on-time and O1 space, handling cases like empty lists or single nodes. Here's the code: def reverse underscore linked underscore list head prev equals none current equals head while current next underscore node equals current next current next equals prev equals current equals next underscore node return prev.
Key concepts here are reversing linked lists. Emphasize edge cases. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting to handle the head node. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more educational content. For such content, do like, subscribe, and share.